Unlock the freedom of wireless photo transfer with your Nikon D5600 laptop, ditching the cables for good. First, let's get your Nikon D5600 ready. Navigate through your camera's menu using the directional pad until you find the setup menu. From there, select Wi-Fi. Make sure the Wi-Fi option is enabled, then choose connect to a computer and select yes when prompted to start the connection. Your camera will now broadcast its own Wi-Fi network on your laptop. Go to your Wi-Fi settings. Just as you would to connect to any other network, you should see a network name that starts with Nikon. Select this network and enter the password displayed on your camera's screen. Now, head over to the Nikon USA website or search for Nikon Transfer to Software for your computer. Download and install this free application. It's the key to seamless communication between your camera and laptop. Once installed, open the Nikon Transfer to Software. With both your camera and laptop connected to the same Wi-Fi network, the Nikon camera will appear in your Nikon Transfer to Software. You'll see your photos and videos displayed there. You can then select the images you want to transfer. Choose a destination folder on your laptop and hit the transfer button. And just like that, your photos and videos are wirelessly transferred without a single cable in sight. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of a cable-free workflow with your Nikon D5600.